Can your living arrangements affect your SSI benefits? Absolutely. In fact, where you live, who you live with, and who pays for your food and shelter can sometimes have a significant impact on your SSI eligibility and monthly benefit amount. Unlike SSDI, which is based primarily on your work history and disability status, Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, is a needs-based program. Social Security looks closely at your financial circumstances, including your income, resources, and certain aspects of your living situation. One common example is when someone lives with a family member or friend and doesn't pay their fair share of household expenses. If another person is providing free or discounted housing, utilities, or meals, Social Security may consider that support to be a form of income called in-kind support and maintenance. When that happens, your SSI payment could be reduced. Another important situation involves marriage. If you are married and living with your spouse, Social Security may count some of your spouse's income and resources when determining your SSI eligibility. This process, known as deeming, can affect whether you qualify and how much you receive each month. Even moving from one home to another can create reporting obligations. If you move in with relatives, begin sharing expenses with roommates, enter a rental agreement, or start receiving assistance with food or shelter costs, Social Security may need updated information. Failing to report changes could potentially lead to overpayments that Social Security later asks you to repay. The good news is that living with family or receiving help does not automatically mean you cannot receive SSI. Every situation is different and the details matter. That's why understanding the rules and keeping Social Security informed is so important. At Disability Advocates Group, we help people navigate the SSI application process, identify potential issues involving income and living arrangements, and make sure claims are presented as accurately and completely as possible. If you're wondering whether your living situation could affect your SSI eligibility, call Disability Advocates Group at 8007-882-095 for a free consultation, or use our free SSI screener at ssdianswers.com to see if you may qualify for benefits. This video provides general information about SSI. It does not constitute legal advice.